Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Tinda Arina Hidayah and I'm from TBIC. My ID number is 24010711059. So, in this video, I will discuss about linguistics and its relevance to English language teaching. Linguistics is an important field of study because it helps teachers understand how language works, how it is structured, and how it is learned by students, especially learners for English as a foreign language. Many difficulties faced by English learners, such as pronunciation errors, misunderstanding meaning, or unnatural speech patterns, are closely related to linguistic aspects. Therefore, linguistic knowledge is essential for English teachers. So, in this video, I will first explain what linguistics is and introduce its main branches. Then I will focus on one specific linguistic topic, which is phonology, and explain it in detail along with its application in English language teaching. Finally, I will explain why linguistic knowledge is important for English teachers. So, what is linguistics? Linguistics is the scientific study of language. It examines how language is structured, how it is produced, how it is understood, and how it is used in communication. Linguistics doesn't only focus on grammar, but also on sounds, meaning, and language used in social contexts. There are several main branches of linguistics that are commonly studied in English language teaching. First is phonetic. Phonetic Phonetics is study speech sounds from a physical perspective, including how sounds are produced by speech organs. Second is phonology. Phonology is studies how sounds function and are organized in a language system. The third is morphology. Morphology studies word formation and word structure. The fourth is syntax. Syntax is focused on sentence structure and word order. And the fifth is semantics. Semantics is studies meaning in language. And the sixth is pragmatics. Pragmatics is studies meaning in context and language used in real communication. And the seventh is psycholinguistics. Psycholinguistics is studies how language is processed and acquired in the human mind. And the lastly is sociolinguistics is studies the relationships between language and society. All of these branches are interconnected and contribute to effective English language teaching. So, in this section, I will focus on phonology. Phonology is the branch of linguistics that studies how speech sounds function as part of language system. Unlike phonetics, which focus on the physical production of sounds, phonology focuses on sound patterns and meaning distinctions in a particular language. One of the most important concepts in phonology is the phoneme. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sounds that can change meaning. For example, the sound p and b are different phonemes in English. The words pet and bed have different meanings because of this sound difference. This shows that sounds are not only physical phenomena but also meaningful units in a language system. This concept can be demonstrated through minimal pairs. Minimal pairs are pairs of words that differ by only one sound but have different meaning, such as sheep and sheep. fan and van, thin and thin. Binominal pairs are very important in English language teaching because they help learners notice sound contrasts that may not exist in their first language. Another important concept in phonology is allophones. Allophones are different relations of the same phoneme that don't change meaning. For example, the phoneme t in English can be pronounced differently in top, stop, and water. Although the sound quality is different, native speakers still perceive them as the same phoneme. This shows that phonology focuses on sound patterns rather than individual sound production. Phonology also studies syllable structure. In English, a syllable generally consists of three parts: onset, nucleus, and coda. Understanding syllable structure helps teachers explain why certain consonant clusters, such as stir or s, are difficult for learners. In addition, phonology includes stress, rhythm, and intonation. Word stress in English can change meaning. For example, record as a noun, record as a verb, record, re, stress in re as a noun, and the record as a verb is the chord is the word stress. Like this. Sentence stress helps emphasize important information, while unstressed words often carry grammatical meaning. And intonation refers to the rise and fall of pitch in speech. Ris- Rising intonation is commonly used in yes/no questions, while falling intonation is used in statements. Intonation also expresses emotions and attitudes. In English language teaching, phonology helps teachers focus in intelligibility, which means how easily speech can be understood by listener. The goal of pronunciation teaching is not make learners sound like native speakers, but to help them communicate clearly and effectively. Through phonological knowledge, teachers can design effective pronunciation activities such as listening discrimination, minimal pair drills, stress and intonation practice, and communicative speaking tasks. And linguistics plays a crucial role in English language teaching. First, linguistic knowledge helps teachers understand learners' errors. Many pronunciation problems occur because learners transfer sound patterns from their first language into English. And the second is linguistics help teachers choose appropriate teaching strategies. With phonological awareness, teachers can decide which pronunciation features are important for communication. Third, linguistics improve teachers' professionalism. Teachers who understand linguistic system can explain material more clearly and teach with greater confidence. Therefore, linguistics support effective, meaningful, and accurate English language teaching. And the last is to conclude, linguistics is the scientific study of language and plays an essential role in English language teaching. One important branch of linguistics is phonology, which focuses on how sounds function within a language system. By understanding phonology, English teachers can help learners improve pronunciation, reduce misunderstandings and communicate more effectively. In short, linguistics is not only theoretical subject but also a practical foundation for successful English teaching. So, thank you for watching. That's all for that's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.